sites. I made this website. It's called lottoa.com and analyze the lottery. For example, although I'm out of the country right now and I had to go over there and fix something in the server. So it got stuck on July 2017. Look at that. That side. Where it got stuck, but oh well. So I make, for example, huge of analysis here. It's amazing. Just the amount of stuff I put. Units and things and all those dollars, and for example you click here, all this combinations and the dates, right? Only okay, all these combinations and the dates. If you notice 0 1 1 2 3 4, it's the same. Every single one here has that 0 7 0 4 0 6 0 3 0 0 0 0, right? 0 4 0 9, whatever. This one is 1 1. It will be 14 18 10 14 17 18. So all of them had the same beginning number, either 0 1 1 2 3 4, and it has the dates, and these are combinations they had played. And the 7 that is being selected there in yellow is because you are looking at 7 right now. However, you're looking at 7. Let's go back to analysis. Hold on, let me switch to English. So you're looking at number analysis, and you got 7 selected. So let's select another number. Let's say 5. And now we have this 5. Let's go back to combinations. And we were looking at, now no 5 is, no, only the 5s are selected, right? Because that's probably your favorite number. You're just looking at it to see if you can win with it. So, and this green numbers tells you how often this 0 1 1 2 3 4 played. So 126 games went by, and then it played again. 5 games and it played. 2 games in between and played. 65 and so on. And for example, now it's not working because it has an update, but it should be 31 games since last time into the current date. So that's what this is. So this is Connecticut Lottery, and I wonder why it is stopped updating. When I go back home, I will fix it. Let's see if a Powerball is updating or not. No. So yeah, I was working on this thing, and I had to interrupt for doing something, helping my dad with some of his stuff. So that's why I had to interrupt the project. Now the other website that I have is called play4tokens.com, and this website. This, I made this one differently, so this should not have any updating problems. This one, if it misses one date, it just is rectifies itself. And oh, so why is this saying I'm gonna have to ask to restart that server? Because the level of security that I have in there, of course, this won't happen with the Exchange, if that's what you're thinking. Because I won't launch until everything is all set. All of this are in beta and alpha mode, and they're very complicated, kind of like a hobby. Let's see. I'm gonna ask the server to be resetted. So that it can update, so there's some kind of problem going on. I know why. It's not. Oh, well, I'm not gonna say why, but I know why. It's not my fault. It's the person that I have there taking care of this whole thing. Damn, I just ventilated. Boy. So, well, in this case, this other website also has, kind of like you put your mouse on top of this and it tells you number 10 played on these 3 dates in the last 10 games, and so on. It tells you how many times, some of it, kind of similar stuff. And if you want to learn what each little thing means, then you click on how to use, and it explains what this is. And I was thinking of creating a token that it will be, this website's token, and making it super secure. Where, okay, so I was telling you, this website I concentrated on security, so I made this the most secure thing to be. That's why I don't have access to my own server even from far, because, well, I had to block everything so that it will be secured, and the only way to interact with it is through this page, right, which is very secure. And I'm not going to explain you what other computers work to make this even more secure, but because that will be, I already gave you some, but it will just make you be like, oh my god, this hard. But anyways, hopefully no. If you hack, let me know how, so that I can fix it. But it won't happen. Therefore, I have my donation page here if you want to donate, because nobody has donated yet. And what's more, I don't even recall if I still own this wallets, but I think I do. But nobody has donated this to my poor little Bitcoin stuff, Litecoin, and I don't think so. So I even had Google Checkout, like back in the day when it existed. So if you want to donate, use PayPal, or just send me a money order. Well, no, you. All right, so that was it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Oh no, we were gonna look at the patterns. So yeah, this looks like a double. Look at this.